Hi, my name is Arthur Barber. I'm the Program Chair for Advanced Manufacturing Technology here at South Texas College. I've been an instructor with the department for the last 11 years, and my primary focus is on advanced CNC, advanced CAM, and most of the computer-aided courses. My industry experience is 3 years in product design and 4 years in actually machining. I am a former alumni of the program, and I got into the program originally because of product design for the paintball industry.
My name is Gary Rea. I completed the dual enrollment program in 2010 from River Bend City High School. Afterwards, I transferred to South Texas College for the Associates in Manufacturing. Then I went to work as a machine operator at General Electric Aviation and General Electric Energy. From there, I went to Cinch Connectors as a machine setup for 2.5 years. After that, I was a 2-and-die apprentice at Alpha XL Molding Tools for approximately 1 year. From there, I came to South Texas College to teach for the Advanced Manufacturing Technology program, where I was also able to transfer my associates to the Bachelor's in Technology Management. I've been teaching for 6 years now.
Esmeralda Dame. I'm a proud alumni of South Texas College, where I earned an associate's degree in engineering. I later transferred to the University of Pan American, where I earned a bachelor's in mechanical engineering. There I also earned a master's in business administration. I've been teaching for over 16 years and have experience teaching online, face-to-face, hybrid, and lab courses. I have over 12 years of industry experience in engineering, design, and construction. All this I bring to the classroom and share with my students. I take pride in teaching my students not only the machining skills, but also the soft skills that they will need to be a better employee out in industry. We also prepare them to earn the industry-based NIMS credentials.
Hi, my name is Mario Oliveira, and I'm an instructor here in the manufacturing program at South Texas College. I have been here for 8.5 years already, and I really love the teaching here, all the manufacturing, all the use of these kind of machines and technologies, and we really spend a good time here. Also, before that, 8 years in education, my background is in manufacturing as well, and I spent around 21 years in manufacturing in several processes such as printer circuit board, metal forming, metal stamping, plastic injection molding, in different industries such as automotive, electronics, communications.
Hello, my name is Jose Molina. I'm one of the instructors for the Advanced Manufacturing Technology program here at South Texas College. I have been with this program for the past 5 years. I am a former student of the program. I graduated in 2008 with a certificate. Then in 2010 I completed my associate's degree and went on and got a bachelor's in technology management here at STC as well. Previous to that, I've been working in industry. I worked for a couple of manufacturing facilities working in plastic injection molding and tool and die. I also work in some companies doing CNC programming, and recently I was working in a production company running some production machines, high production machines. And then I decided to join this program to share my experience with the students and educate them on what they should expect when they graduate from this program and go out in the field.
Hi, my name's Erica Guerra and I'm faculty for the Advanced Manufacturing Technology Department. My experience consists of 10 years of experience in the oil field industry and 6 years of experience teaching at the college level. My education background is an associate's in engineering from South Texas College and a bachelor's of science from UT RGV. I love teaching. Teaching is a passion of mine. And I like that I can combine the engineering background with manufacturing skills to help the students succeed.
Hi there, my name is Alberto Farias and I go by Bert. I was born and raised here in the RGV and I am a product of the Valley and everything that comes with it. I have 5 years experience with SCC and my background is I have an associate in drafting and design. I've also got 25 years of design experience with oil field, within the oil field and also in HVAC. So my dream here for my students is for me to be able to give them the knowledge that have gained in the past 25 years. I would like to become obsolete to them to the point where I've come into class, teach them what I need to teach them. When they show up, hand them a piece of paper, and they're off and running because they have taken in all the knowledge that they can and they're at the point where they're self-sustaining. Teaching wasn't a part of my bucket list, but I'm glad I found my way to this position because it is something that I really am passionate about.